A shift solenoid is an electrical component used in automatic transmissions to control the flow of transmission fluid and engage or disengage certain gears. It is responsible for shifting gears smoothly and efficiently. 10 common symptoms of a failing shift solenoid in an automatic transmission include: Number 1. Delayed or rough shifting. The transmission may hesitate or jerk when shifting gears, leading to a rough driving experience. Number 2. Slipping gears. The transmission may slip out of gear while driving, causing a loss of power and acceleration. Number 3. Failure to shift. The transmission may get stuck in a particular gear and not shift up or down when needed, affecting the vehicle's performance and speed. Number 4. Overheating. A malfunctioning shift solenoid can cause the transmission to overheat due to improper fluid flow and cooling, which can lead to further damage. Number 5. Check engine light. In some cases, a failing shift solenoid may trigger the check engine light on the dashboard, indicating a problem that needs attention. Number 6. Erratic shifting. The transmission may shift unpredictably or inconsistently, leading to a lack of control over the vehicle's speed and performance. Number 7. Transmission fluid leaks. A failing shift solenoid can cause transmission fluid leaks due to pressure issues or damaged components, which can lead to low fluid levels and potential damage to the transmission. Number 8. Whining or grinding noises. You may hear unusual noises coming from the transmission, such as whining or grinding sounds, which can indicate internal damage or malfunctioning components, including the shift solenoid. Number 9. Reduced fuel efficiency. A failing shift solenoid can cause the transmission to work harder than necessary, leading to increased fuel consumption and reduced fuel efficiency. Number 10. Transmission slipping into neutral. In severe cases, a failing shift solenoid can cause the transmission to slip into neutral unexpectedly, leaving the vehicle unable to move or respond to driver input. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on automotive technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.